Previously, in part 1, I explained how Lodestar was inspired by The Fury, which was set in one apartment on one night and did very well on Amazon Prime. My producers asked me for a similar project, so I suggested a spaceship, which I argued was just a set like anything else. Then I visited the Filmscape volume and immediately fell in love. I started thinking about how amazing it would be to shoot Lodestar on a volume so you could see outside the windows. Now for part 2. So by that time I was already building a rough digital model of the ship, because when I write something set on one location, I want to have a very clear picture of what that location is. And at the same time I was learning Unreal Engine and making all these little short films. And then I realized that this was actually the perfect Unreal Engine project, because it's actually very self-contained. It's just set on the 3 decks of the one ship. And that's when I decided to go ahead and do this project, make the first 10 minutes of the film in Unreal Engine. So then once that's done, I have 2 possible paths ahead of me. If the animation turns out to be a tremendous success and it looks fantastic, then I might try and raise the rest of the budget to finish the feature film in the same way. If it turns out good but not great, then the other option is to pursue the live action method and get it up on its feet with live actors on the LED volume. Now the amazing thing is that none of the effort that's being put into the first 10 minutes will be wasted, because all that changes is we take away the digital characters and the digital foreground and we build that live on the stage. The ship that I built, all the sets, all of that stuff becomes the background on the LED volume. So yeah, that's the plan. Those are the 2 options going forward. I hope that makes sense. Of course, before I get there, I have to raise 500 pledges. We're just about halfway there, so hold thumbs. Thanks very much. Bye.